All right, this is a 2013 Honda Pilot with a 3.5. It's the EX submodel. I just changed the rear evaporator core yesterday, and I couldn't find anything online about it, so I've already replaced it, but I just wanted to kind of give a short little walkthrough on replacing that evaporator core, which is in this middle console. Pull the front seats. There's little plastic clips in the front and back. I think they're 14mm sockets. You can loosen the front, move the seat forward, pull the back. 2 plugs underneath. Same thing on the driver's seat. 2 plugs, 4 bolts, pop the seats out. This little plastic panel right here just pulls off with snap tabs. These 2 outer panels pull straight out. There's one connector for this power port. There's one connector for the hazard lights. Pull those off. There's a screw right here behind this for this piece. There's also a screw right here for this piece once you get that panel off. There is 2 screws underneath that plastic cover there. And there is 2 screws down in there. Here in the back, this whole panel right here just pops off. You have to use a plastic pry tool, but that whole thing pops off. At that point, you can lift this whole middle console up. There's 2 connectors connected to that. There's one connector right here, and there's one connector right down here on this side that you'll have to unhook. And then you can snake this whole middle console out of this area. That will leave you the HVAC box down there. There's one metal bracket that you have to remove that has a 12mm on each side. Just lay that forward. Unhook all your electrical on that side. Right about here, there is the heater core. You have to unhook 2 hoses. I just used a little piece of like a socket and connected them together so I didn't lose a lot of coolant. And once you have those unhooked, you can then unbolt the 4 10mm bolts on the HVAC box and get that box on the bench where you can open it up and replace the evaporator or heater core. Assembly is the same as you took it apart. Keep an eye on where all your bolts went and nuts and screws, and it actually only took probably about 3 hours if I was hustling.